In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check calories burned in Strava app. If you're tracking your workouts and want a quick way to see how much energy you've burned, Strava makes that easy once you know exactly where to look. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way so you can check your calorie data in just a few taps. First, open the Strava app on your phone. You'll land on the home screen with your feed, but we won't use the feed for this. Instead, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on You. This takes you to your personal area in Strava. Think of it as your profile hub, where everything related to your activities and stats lives in one place. On your profile, find and tap Activities. This is the complete list of workouts you've recorded with Strava, whether that's runs, rides, walks, hikes, or other supported activities. You'll see them organized by date, with the most recent at the top, making it easy to jump into the one you care about. Now, choose an activity from the list and tap it to open the detailed view. This screen is where Strava pulls everything together. Your route map, if there is one, splits, pace or speed, elevation, and of course, calories. Take a moment to scan the top section. The calorie estimate typically appears alongside other key stats like distance and time, or just below in the summary area. Depending on your sport type and what data was recorded, calories may show immediately as a bold number labeled calories. If you don't see it right at the top, glance slightly further down the details. Some layouts display it a bit lower among the metrics. What you're looking at is Strava's estimate of how much energy you expended during that specific workout. It's calculated using the activity type and performance data, and it can be refined by things like heart rate information if you recorded it with a compatible device. Keep in mind, it's an estimate, not an exact measurement, but it's very useful for tracking trends over time and staying consistent with your fitness goals. And that's all there is to it. Open the app, head to your profile under You, go into Activities, pick the workout you want, and the calories burned will be right there on the activity screen. Try it on a few different sessions to get a sense of how your effort translates across runs, rides, and walks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your training in Strava.